Hello students, today we are going to start our exercise 6.1 of chapter 8 as all basics of chapter 6 were done by us in our class. Here I am taking question number 1. Find the value of x if 4x plus 15 and 2x minus 9 are complementary angles, and you were told that sum of two complementary angles is 90 degree. So 4x plus 15 plus 2x minus 9 will be equal to 90 degree. Here we can solve this equation for x. So after following some steps we get 6x is equal to 80 degree. So x will be 14 degree. Now we are asked to find the angle also. So angles are, first is 4x plus 15. Here we will put x is equal to 14 and it will be 56 plus 15 and this will be 71 degree. And for another angle, the another angle is 2x minus 9. Again putting x is equal to 14, we get 28 minus 9 and this will be 19 degree. So angles are 71 degree and 19 degree. Now question number 2. Two angles 3x minus 10 and 2x plus 20 are supplementary angles, and we know that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So putting 3x minus 10 plus 2x plus 20 is equal to 180. Now we can solve it for x. So after solving this we get x is equal to 34 degree. Now question number 3. In question 3, the difference between an angle and half of its complement is 30 degree. Find the angle. So for this question, we will assume the angle. Let the angle be x. So its complementary angle will be (90 minus x). Now it is given that difference between an angle, meaning difference between x minus half of its complement, 90 minus x by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Here we get equation and we can solve it for x. By taking the LCM we get 2x minus. Now take care of sign and we have to put the bracket because negative sign is there, 60, and 2x minus 90 plus x is equal to 60. 3x is equal to 150 and we get x as 50 degree. So the angle is 50 degree. Angle is of 50 degree. Next, question number 4. Question number 4, the two complementary angles are in the ratio 2:3 and we have to find the angles. Very easy question. Let us assume that let the complementary angles be because ratio is given, so we can take the angles as 2x and 3x. Here the angles are complementary. So it means the sum of angles will be 90 degree. 5x is equal to 90, x is equal to 18. And we have to find the angles. So angles are, first angle will be 2 into 18, 36 degree. And second angle will be 2 into 18, 54 degree. Similarly, you can do second part of this question. In that part, the angles are supplementary. So here we have put the sum of angles is equal to 180 and you can solve it yourself very easily here. We are going to question number 5. The difference between two supplementary angles is 54 degree. Find the two angles. First of all, let the angles be. X and Y. According to question, it is given that difference between the angles is 54 and we know the sum of two supplementary angles is 180. Here we get two equations and we can solve these two equations to find the value of x and y. Separating x from equation 1, we get x is equal to 54 plus y. Now we can put this value in equation number 2 to find the value of y. So we get 54 plus y is equal to 180. 54 plus 2y is equal to 180. 2y is equal to 180 minus 54 and we can solve it for y. After solving, we get that y is 63 degree. Now we can find the value of x. So therefore x will be 180 minus 63 and we get x as 117 degree. So the angles are 117 degree and 63 degree.